Hi, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable owl pillows. On Wednesday, it's your tip of the week, and I'm going to show you how to make these really easy quilt design boards, and you can also use it to organize your cross stitch. On Thursday is my Christmas shopping haul day. I've got lots of goodies to share with you. On Friday, I'm going to show you how to take some of the items that I have tutorials on and put it into a beautiful fall tablescape. I hope you all are excited about the videos that are coming up next week as much as I am. Make sure you check below your YouTube screen for links to tutorials on other fall projects. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram and go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.